Hello everyone, welcome to Neethu's Home Food. Today's recipe is a typical South Indian style Karakulambu. You can make it without any veggies, but I prefer to add veggies. Today I'm making it with some drumstick and brinjal. Let's start cooking now. But before that, subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet and turn on the notification bell for instant updates on my recipes. First, let's start with some preparation. Wash the brinjal well and make it into slices and keep them in water. Then take 1 cup of grated coconut and 1 whole big tomato and make it into a smooth paste. Crush 6 cloves of garlic, and here are the ingredients that you need. You need 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, half a teaspoon of cumin seed, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seed, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of sambar powder, and gingely oil. Then you need few curry leaves, a bunch of coriander leaves, 6 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 big onion sliced. You can take any veggies of your choice, tamarind extract, tomato onion paste. And also I'm using frozen drumstick since I didn't find the fresh ones today. Heat a wide bottom pan with 3 spoons of gingely oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds and give it a good mix and roast it well. Then add asafoetida and turmeric powder, curry leaves, crushed garlic and roast it well. Then add the chopped onion and salt. Give it a good mix and cook it for a few minutes until the onions are soft. Then add in the coriander powder, cumin powder and sambar powder. Give it a good mix. Cook it for 3 minutes. Then add in the veggies, salt. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. So here it is after 2 minutes. Now you can add tamarind extract. Mix it and cook it for another 2 minutes. So the veggies look cooked well. Now you can add the tomato and coconut paste. Give it a good mix. Cook until the raw smell goes off. Add half a cup or 1 cup of water to adjust the consistency of kulambu. Mix it well and cover it and cook for another 3 minutes. Now it is all ready. Though Karakulambu is made by every single family, everyone has their own traditional way of making it. Finish it off with some chopped coriander leaves. So here it is ready to be served. Serve it with hot rice and appalam. Try this recipe and leave a comment below how it turned out. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more recipes coming up. You can also email me at neethuhf@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.